Hello students, welcome you all to the SST class of Standard 4. Today we are going to read chapter 4 and the name of the topic is the Great Indian Desert. So, the Great Indian Desert is also a main physical feature of India. Look at the map. If we see the map of India, we will see that to the southwest side of northern plain there is a vast area covered with sand, and it has very little water and vegetation. It is partly rocky and sandy, and these vast stretches of land covered with sand, and this vast area is known as the Great Indian Desert or the Third Desert. So, the word desert means an unproductive land which may be hot or cold, and hot desert is dry and sandy, and cold desert is dry and icy, and the third desert or the Great Indian Desert is a hot desert, and third desert is a hot, sandy and rocky. And the great, so look at the blackboard. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Third Desert. It has very little water and vegetation, and it is partly rocky and sandy, and it is the 17th largest desert in the world, and the first largest desert in the world is the Sahara Desert. So now we discuss about the location of Third Desert. So Third Desert is located to the northwest of Aravalli Hills. Look at the map. Here Aravalli Hills is present. So the Third Desert is located to the northwest of Aravalli Hills. It is the extension of Arabian Desert of Saudi Arabia spread into Pakistan as a Sindh Desert, and in India it is stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, passing through Rajasthan until the Rajasthan border. So, the Third Desert is located in the northwest of Aravalli Hills, and it is stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, passing through Rajasthan till the Haryana border, and it is the extension of Arabian Desert of Saudi Arabia spread into Pakistan as Sindh Desert, and it is located in the state of Rajasthan. Now we discuss about the physical features of desert. So, third desert, generally deserts are flat land covered with loose sand, and third desert consists of sand and rock, and the strong wind, sometime in desert, strong wind called sandstorm blow over the vast stretches of sand and shifted it from one place to another and form the small hills of sand, and this is called sand dunes. And sand dunes do not stay at one place. They keep moving with the winds and change their shapes and size from time to time. So the sandstorm are not the permanent hill, it is a temporary hills. So sand dunes means or what is sand dunes? So sometime in desert sandstorm blows over vast stretches of sand and form firm, small hills of sand called sand dunes. So these sandstorms are so strong that one can easily get lost in them. So sand dunes means sometime in desert, sandstorm blows over vast stretches of sand and form small hills of sand called sand dunes. Then we also find oases in the desert. So oasis means in desert, at some places underground water come into the surface through the spring, and due to the availability of water, more and more people live near the place and grow crops, and such green and lush spot is called the oasis. And vegetation is very rare in desert. Only cacti, babul trees, date palm, etc. grow in the desert area. So now, what the meaning of oasis is? Sometimes in desert, some places in desert, some places underground water comes to the surface through spring. This is called oasis. And due to the availability of water, more and more people live near the oasis and grow crops. So students, in this video we have already discussed about the third desert, its location and its physical features. In next video we will read more about it. Till then, bye bye, see you, have a nice day.